Hey crocheters, it's me, Erin from Juniper Oakes, and we are here for the 9th and final section of the Christmas in July blanket crochet along. We have been working up this blanket as crocheters from around the world all month long, and now we are ready to wrap it up with the final section. We're going to be creating the envelope border. The border that you see here is a double border. You work 2 borders and then you close those ends up. You know, right now your blanket has ends that look something like this. Remember this swatch from section 1? And now what we're going to do is tie these together, trim them up, and then work a double border around with it. Now, you don't have to work an envelope border for your project. If you like the way that your fringe looks just like this, you can leave it like that. Some people would do what's called twisted fringe, which I will link a tutorial on how to do that. It looks really fun. But of course, you can always weave them in as well. But for those of you who want to do the envelope border, make sure that you watch the video that's associated with that. I did a half double crochet border using the different colors that I used in the crochet along. Feel free to get creative, do what you want to do. Maybe you want to incorporate other designs. I almost used the Christmas lights pattern as a design to go around the border. So that's really fun. Maybe you want to do that. So leave me a comment. What are you going to do for your border? I would love to know. Make sure after you work it up that you share pictures of your final project. I am so sad that this project is coming to an end. I really love hosting these crochet alongs, and I love seeing pictures of people's progress and people's final photos. So make sure that you share all over the internet on all of the socials, pictures and videos, reels, whatever, of your works in progress and your final photos. Make sure you tag me at Juniper Oakes so that I can see, comment, and share your content. And also, of course, post your final pictures in the Juniper Oakes Crochet Community Facebook group so that we all can see them. Guys, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and hit that little bell so the next time I come out with another crochet along, you'll be notified and you can join along with. I also have all sorts of other yarn related content that I know that you're gonna love. All right guys, go ahead, watch the video for this half double crochet envelope border, learn how to do that and finish up your blanket. I can't believe it's over. Happy crocheting.